Hey guys, what is up? I hope all of you guys are having an amazing day today. I'm feeling good. I have good news for you. I know you guys love the apartment updates and how the apartment is coming along. Today, I found out something awesome. I just found out that we have free storage lockers to use at this place. I'd always assumed you needed to pay for these things, but there's storage lockers here all over the... Hi, Ben.
Hi, I'm just gonna self-promote myself here.
They're all free and you could just come and you need to ask the concierge for him to like allow your key stub to let you in here, but then past that you just buy yourself a padlock and you put all your stuff in here. This is amazing. So I'm gonna take all of this stuff, saxophones, suitcases, just random stuff that I had sitting at my dad's house, and all of this stuff. And the bright side is once I get all of this out of here, there's actually room for like a couch and a shelf and to actually make this into a proper office room or whatever I decide doing with it, because right now this stuff is just sort of taking up all the space. So the first plan for today is get all of this, get my suitcase, get my saxophone, and fill up that storage locker.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
All right, that is a lot better. Get all that stuff out of my apartment, all the shoe boxes that I'm gonna sell, toolbox, random bits and bobs, put it in here, brought over some board games, brought over my luggage. This is good. Okay, I know I haven't made a video for the past couple days and I'm really sorry about that. I feel bad, but I do have an excuse. Sunday I just wanted to take the day off. It was a beautiful day. I wanted to relax, spend some time on some other things, and then yesterday ran into a little bit of extenuating circumstances. Ben and I wanted to go out to the beach. So we went out to the beach. I got caught speeding on the highway, got a $300 ticket, and then this happened. Let me fill you in on how today's going. I know I didn't upload a video today, but I did get pulled over by the cops for speeding on the highway. I did get a $300 ticket. The police officer was nice about it though, so thank you, police officer. And then we pulled up to the cottage and my car sounds like this. And the engine doesn't want to work properly. I phoned my dad, because he knows more about cars than I do, and he told us to try driving halfway home so he can come pick us up. I'm not feeling confident about this at all. A change of plans. We got in the car, still sounds really messed up. My dad was like, you know what, you're not gonna get stuck on the highway. And I was like, good decision, Dad. So we're just waiting for the tow truck to show up here. The only problem is we're an hour and a half outside of the city. I have no idea how long we're gonna have to wait. We should have just stayed in the city. I got a freaking $300 speeding ticket. Yeah, I need to go. I'll phone you back tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. I need to go right now. So the good news is we did get back into the city, and my dad picked us up and drove us back, which was good, but I don't have a car right now, which really sucks, and I feel super like lost without a car. Like I lived the first 20 years of my life without a car, but now that I've had a car for the past 18 months, I don't know what to do without a car. Anyway, we have 2 new pairs of sneakers today. The first one I got on a Kijiji or like Craigslist meetup. It's like the Canadian Kijiji. These aren't that exciting. I'm putting them in storage for 2 reasons. One of them is I won't be wearing them for a long time, but I needed to stock up on another pair of these. And the second is Ben's gonna give me so much crap if he knows I bought another pair of these. But these are awesome, and I had to buy another pair of them. So these aren't my favorite shoe, but they're my favorite shoe to wear. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I appreciate other shoes better than these, and I think other shoes look way better than these. And for special occasions, I wouldn't wear these, but this is my favorite pair of shoes to wear on a daily basis. This is now my 3rd pair that I own. Needed a crisp, fresh, dead stock pair. Yin Yang ones, $75. I couldn't pass it up. I know you used to be able to get them at Nike outlets for like $40, but $75 for a brand new pair. I could not turn these down. Crispy, fresh. My first pair that I've worn all over Europe and I've worn all over the place that I've never cleaned. It's probably due for a cleaning, and it's probably due to just get put back in the box for 6 months. So then I'm gonna move on to my second pair, and I figured I still wanted a fresh dead stock pair. So I went with a third pair of Yin Yang ones. I know it's incredibly excessive, but I'm just gonna stick them in the storage locker. Just put them here for the next year, and then in a year when I actually wanna wear them, I will have an amazing pair of bright, fresh Yin Yang ones. So the last time I did make a video, it was on these and camping out for these, and I don't understand Winnipeg why we actually need to camp out for these, but the same day that I bought these, I had a bit of an expensive day. I also bought these, and we haven't seen these yet, and honestly, I mean, these are really, really nice. I know lots of people are hating on these and saying they're ugly dad shoes, but I honestly think these are better than these, and these are also still sitting on shelves, and I'm very, very surprised that these didn't sell out. I mean, they're not hyped up, they're not an OG colorway or anything like that, but I think it's clean. It reminds me of one of my favorite shoes of all time that I don't have, so I needed to pick it up. It is a Jordan 1 box, second pair of Jordan 1s today. I know I have a problem, way too many Jordan 1s, but these things are so nice. I've already opened these up, taken a look at them. How nice are these? The official color on these is Hyper Royal and Sail. So they kept it very, very, very simple. And I wasn't aware until I actually saw these in person, and the good people at one of the sneaker stores around here actually showed me them like 2 weeks before they came out. And I was like, wow, it's not white, it's cream, it's off-white, it's like the shattered backboards. And I think that completely makes this sneaker. If they had just made it a white shoe, it would have stood out way too much. Like even the laces are the off-white cream colorway, which I think just looks way, way better. For me personally, it looks less bam in your face white. It looks more natural, it looks more aged, it looks like something I'd want to wear a lot more. What I would wear these with is the only problem. I think like just in terms of pants, you can't really wear blue jeans with them. I think that looks weird. Black jeans sort of looks weird. Maybe you go olive pants or khakis. You could probably go khaki. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out, see what best color of pants to wear with these things, because you're definitely not going to be wearing these with blue jeans. But I think they look so good. And the fact that they were slept on is even better, because I just walked into the store like half an hour after it opened. I was like, sup dude, you got a size 12? And he was like, yeah man, we got a size 12. I mean, they actually held a size 12 for me, so thank you champs. I love you guys. You are the best. But I scooped them up, no problem at all, adding to the huge Jordan 1 collection. This is something, you're probably gonna be able to grab these on sale in 6 months, but I didn't wanna wait. I wanted to pick these up to share with you guys, share my opinions on them to you guys. And I think they're really good. The leather quality, I'll show you the leather quality as best I can. I'm gonna pull the shoehorn out right here, and it's not hard, but it's not like crazy soft. I'd compare these, the closest thing I could think of is probably the UNC ones that came out around 2 years ago. I'd say it's very comparable to that. It feels very plush, except it's still a little bit stiff. Like it creases under your touch, but it's still stiff. That's the closest thing I can compare it to, the UNC ones. Obviously this colorway has not come out before, and I was very excited to see a new rendition of it. As far as the shoe, it reminds me of the gym red ones, the European exclusive ones with all red everywhere, and then that off-white swoosh, off-white midsole, basically the exact same setup as these, except those were all in red. So this really reminded me of that, the exact same color scheme, and I was very happy to pick these up. As far as Jordan 1s for the rest of the year, we got the Celtics ones, or the green and white and black ones, which so freaking nice, and the purple ones as well. I'm gonna be trying to get both of those. If I had to choose, I'd probably go with the purple ones, honestly, because I think that's just a cooler color to wear. And I also have both renditions of the Celtics ones already. I have the ones that came out in 2014, and I have the ones that were part of the DNP pack. So do I really need another pair of Celtics ones? Realistically, not at all. Do I need a pair of purple ones? Realistically, not at all, because I already have a million pairs of shoes, but I don't have a pair of purple ones. At least I don't think so. So I really want to get those. In other news, Ben, you're English, right?
Somewhat.
You excited for the semifinals? Do you want to hear what's really, really funny? Ben's flying across Canada to visit his sister, and he's going to be in an airport for the semifinals.
Hopefully they're playing it.
They'll be playing it somewhere, but I feel bad for you, but at the same time, it's really, really funny. Because this is like the greatest England has ever done in our lifetime. And you're gonna be sitting in an airport. I mean, we're gonna watch the first half at a bar, but then I need to drive him to the airport. Croatia's realistically gonna win, and I feel really bad for him right now because, you know, he doesn't know it yet, and he's still living in blissful ignorance, and he's gonna, you know, think he's, oh, England's gonna win, England's gonna go to the finals, and then Croatia's gonna, dude, England's totally gonna win. Where are you going? England's totally gonna win.